Hello, I'm the Green Star of Life, and this is Rupert Murdoch. Rupert Murdoch owns a huge media empire, News Corp, and a wide range of newspapers, TV stations, a whole range of media empire. And he is brainwashing you into believing that this economic system is good for you. He is actually giving you the wrong set of information. And it's time that you saw through his information. He's basically trying to tell you that this system, which you call capitalism, is actually good for you. But I say it's not good for you. It's causing environmental destruction. It's based on the principle of unsustainable economic growth. That is, the over-extraction of resources and the pollution of the environment. So, what we need is a sustainable society. But this guy isn't going to tell you that in his newspapers. He's going to not tell you the sort of information that you really need to understand about sustainability, because it's in his interest to keep his wealth. So, be aware that when you're buying his newspapers, and most of them his newspapers, you're going to be reading information that's filtered and doesn't tell you the whole story. It doesn't want to tell you some things. So, don't buy Rupert Murdoch's papers. If you can, try and find out the truth by looking at websites that contain information about the truth, such as the Information for Action website, information.org. Now, on this website, you will find out the truth about environment, about information, a wide range of issues on sustainability. So, check out websites that tell you the truth, and don't follow this guy's misleading information.